What's good, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a game object and connect a script to it for a quick 5-minute or under video for you guys. So let's say this is your first time running Unity and you see all these things going on and you guys want to figure out what the heck is the first thing I want to do and what do I do? Well, we'll talk about real quickly the game object, and that's pretty much everything you guys will see on the far left. Right over here where it says hierarchy, you got sample scene and main camera. Pretty much the game object is going to be the thing that's going to be having properties. It's going to be moving whatever you want to do with it. So the first thing that you want to do is right click on an open side over there, and then you're going to go straight to create empty, and that's going to be your first game object that you guys have. So let's go ahead and give it a name, and let's just say number 1. Alright, and we'll take a quick look and see what's inside on the far right. So I'll click on it, and you take to the right, and you will see that it says transform, right? So you have the position, which goes X, Y, and Z, the rotation, where it's actually pointing towards, and the scale of how big this is, okay? So now that you have this, what can you do pretty much? Well, the first thing you can see is if I click on it twice, it'll center around it and it'll show you that it's right there in the middle of this screen right here where it says scene. Okay, now I'm gonna just scroll back a little bit so that we can start seeing what is all around. So you see this little white box on the side, that's pretty much your main camera, and we'll be working with that later on and doing little pieces of things with it. But for the most part, we'll be talking about the game object right now. So what can you do? Well, the first thing is we want to make this interactable. We want it to have some properties. So the first thing we're going to do is add a component, and through here you'll be able to add so many components, color, animations, and everything. But for the most part, we want to be able to make it do what we want. So the most important thing is attaching a script. So we'll go to add component, and then right at the bottom we're going to say new script. Click on that, and then we'll just say, hey, this is just a, I guess it's fine, script 1. We'll go ahead and create an add and check it out. Now you have a script attached to it. And how do we check this out? Well, we're going to double click on this, and depending on what you're using, you should be able to open this up with, in my case, it's going to be Microsoft Studio Visual. So double click, wait a little bit. Here we go. The script is what is everything you see here in the front. Now you have a couple of methods or functions already in there that is only held to game objects, and it's coming from the model behavior property that is into this class. So you see start and update, and we'll be talking about this later on when we go more into link with this. So for now we have created a game object and we have attached a script, and later on we're going to be putting stuff in there, and this is where we will stop. Thank you guys for watching a quick little video just to set things up, and we'll be doing more in the next lesson. Thank you guys, and like and subscribe. See you later.